Let's dive right into those hidden, wildly profitable Canva AI money tricks nobody is actually talking about.
41 grand. That's the staggering monthly cash one creator pulls in just by automating faceless YouTube shorts. And over 5,000 bucks? That's passive monthly income from just one single Amazon KDP Kids book.
Forget making basic logos. We're skipping straight to the real insider monetization playbook. You ready for this? The real secret sauce here? Weaponizing just 3 basic Canva AI tools for massive, totally automated volume.
Trick number 1, automating faceless shorts. We're building a huge library of super shareable video content fast.
Just have ChatGPT write 50 facts, grab a background, and let Canva's Vault create, instantly export everything.
But hey, the trick is retention. Split that text timing perfectly so viewers subconsciously rewatch the loop.
Okay, trick number 2, Amazon KDP Activity Books. You can build top-selling kids' books using 2 specific AI tools. Generate a monoline animal, use AI to magically erase those lines, and drop in your own numbered dots. Compile those pages on an 8x11 canvas, download it as a print PDF, and just upload directly to Amazon.
Moving on to trip number 3, the Etsy bundle strategy. This is how bundling unlocks massive passive income.
Seriously, stop selling single $2 files. Bundle 50 tumbler wraps together to drastically boost your average order value.
Pick a single theme, like wildflowers, and spin it into 15 different products. You'll scale your shop instantly.
300. That is the magic number of listings top sellers hit to consistently clear 5 grand a month.
Finally, trick number 4, selling access, not just files. Deliver editable templates without ever exposing your original designs. Just generate a unique Canva template link. Your buyers get a secure, personal copy they can easily tweak themselves. Remember, designing is the easy part. Mastering this automated bulk creation workflow, that is your real bottleneck. So which automated empire are you building first? Shorts, bundles, or books? The blueprint is literally yours to execute.